Welcome to the world of the Craftsman pressure washer. This multi-purpose tool will help you tackle the dirtiest, grimiest jobs around. But before you take on the dirt, please take a few minutes to watch this video and read through your owner's manual to get step-by-step instructions, product warnings, and valuable tips on getting the best performance from your Craftsman pressure washer. And anytime you have a question about your pressure washer, refer to your owner's manual. Your Craftsman pressure washer comes with a spray gun, wand, high-pressure hose, chemical injection hose, engine oil, and a handle and rubber foot, both with mounting hardware. Some models have a basket to hold cleaning chemicals. Others have a hook. If your pressure washer has a quick connect wand, quick connect nozzles are mounted on the handle. Check the parts list in your owner's manual for the parts and accessories that come standard with your pressure washer. If any parts are missing or you have any questions, please refer to the phone numbers printed on the cover of this video and in your owner's manual. To get started, you'll need an adjustable wrench and a 1/2-inch socket to attach the handle and foot. Some models require the use of an Allen wrench. Look in your owner's manual for mounting instructions. You also will need a garden hose, a small funnel, and an approved container of standard unleaded gas. First, add the oil that is packaged with your pressure washer to the engine. If your pressure washer has an oil fill cap on the side of the engine, remove the cap, insert the funnel, and add the oil to within 1 to 2 threads from the top. Replace the cap and tighten. If the oil fill is on the top of the engine, remove the dipstick and slowly add the oil. Insert the dipstick and tighten the cap. Remove the cap again to check the oil level. Continue to add oil until the level on the dipstick reaches the full mark. Do not overfill. Next, add the unleaded gas to the fuel tank. Do not fill the tank completely. Fuel needs room to expand. Please note, do not add gas indoors or while the pressure washer is running. All Craftsman pressure washers except the vertical shaft model are shipped with a temporary plug in the pump that must be replaced with a vented breather cap. Please note, not changing this plug can cause the pump to overpressurize and forcibly eject the plug and hot oil. Unscrew and remove this plug. Remove the breather cap from the bag attached to the plug and install it on the pump. Your pressure washer pump is shipped with oil in it. Look at the sight glass to check the oil level in the pump. Please check your owner's manual for type of oil and service schedule. Attach one end of the garden hose to your faucet and the other end to the pump inlet. Hand tighten. Attach the high pressure hose to the spray gun. Tighten with an adjustable wrench. Attach the other end of the pressure hose to the pump outlet. Slide the chemical injection hose onto the injection valve fitting. Next, attach the wand to the spray gun. Hand tighten. Be careful not to over-tighten. Turn on your water full force. Before you start the engine, bleed the air out of the system by holding the trigger on the gun open until you get a steady flow of water. Open the fuel valve if applicable. If your pressure washer has an on-off switch, turn it on. Set the throttle to fast. Push the lever to the choke position. Pull the recoil start handle to start the engine. After the engine starts, set the choke to the run position. If the engine does not start after 1 or 2 pulls, squeeze the gun trigger to relieve pressure and try again. Your pressure washer is preset to achieve optimum cleaning pressure. If you need a lower pressure setting, turn the unloader adjustment knob counterclockwise. If you turn the knob too far, the pressure will drop to 0. To return to maximum pressure, reset the knob to its original position. You can also adjust the spray pressure and pattern. To get a high pressure spray with a multi-reg nozzle, pull the spray head back until it clicks. For low pressure, push the spray head forward. For a fan spray, turn the head clockwise. And for a narrow spray, turn it counterclockwise. If your pressure washer has a dual lance wand, turn the handle clockwise for high pressure and counterclockwise for low pressure. If yours has the single lance wand, on the end of your wand is a quick connect body. Mounted on your pressure washer handle are 5 quick connect nozzles. To achieve your desired spray pattern, insert one of the 5 quick connect nozzles into the quick connect body. Pull the quick connect sleeve back and insert the nozzle. Press in on the nozzle to ensure it is in the locked position and ready to use. When switching out nozzles, be sure the gun trigger is in the locked position and the unit is turned off. Each nozzle will give you a varying degree of spray pattern. Black, soap nozzle, used to draw chemical. White, 40-degree spray pattern. Green, 25-degree spray pattern. Yellow, 15-degree spray pattern. Red, 0-degree spray pattern. For the most effective cleaning, hold the spray head 1 to 2 feet away from the surface you want to clean. If you get the spray nozzle too close, especially on high pressure, you may damage the cleaning surface. There are a variety of cleaning chemicals that can be used with the Craftsman pressure washer. Your pressure washer will only draw chemicals when the spray head is in the low pressure position. After setting the spray head to the low position, place the injector hose with the small filter into the chemical container. Squeeze the gun trigger to start chemical flow. Turn the chemical adjustment knob counterclockwise to increase the chemical flow or clockwise to decrease it. If you turn it too far, you can shut off the flow. When everything is properly set, you will see the chemical being drawn through the clear hose. For maximum cleaning, allow the chemical to soak for 3 to 5 minutes. To rinse, remove the injector hose from the chemical container. Move the spray head to the high pressure position. Squeeze the trigger to clean the chemical from the system. Start at the top of the area to be rinsed and work your way down. When you're finished, flush the injector system by setting the spray head to the low pressure position. Put the chemical injector hose in a pail of clean water. Squeeze the trigger until the water runs clear. To turn off the engine, simply move either the throttle lever or the run-stop switch to the stop position. If you run your Craftsman pressure washer more than 3 minutes without pulling the trigger on the spray gun, the water temperature inside the pump begins to rise. When it gets too hot, a thermal relief valve opens and releases some of the hot water from the pump, allowing cool water to flow in from the garden hose. The hot water is released from the back of the pump. This is a special feature to protect the pump and should not be mistaken for a faulty pump. We recommend that you not allow the engine to run for more than 2 minutes without pulling the trigger on the spray gun. If you will not be using the pressure washer for more than 5 minutes, turn the engine off. If your pressure washer begins to pulsate, your water faucet may not be turned on fully or your nozzle may be clogged. Detailed nozzle cleaning instructions are included in your owner's manual. Before storing your Craftsman pressure washer at the end of the season, you need to winterize it just as you would any lawn and garden equipment. First, add a fuel stabilizer to the fuel tank. Hook your pressure washer up to the garden hose and run it for a full 5 minutes to get the stabilizer through the fuel system. Shut off the engine and remove the garden hose. Disconnect the spark plug wire and remove the spark plug. Put 1 teaspoon of oil through the spark plug hole. Put a rag over the hole and pull the recoil a few times to lubricate the combustion chamber. Replace the spark plug, but do not reconnect the spark plug wire. Remove the oil drain plug and drain the oil from the engine. Properly dispose of the oil. To drain the oil quickly, put a wood block beneath the wheel opposite the oil drain plug. You may have to remove the oil fill plug to allow air in the system and to force the oil to drain. Replace the drain plug and add fresh oil. Remove the high-pressure hose from your pressure washer and drain the water from it. Attach a 2-foot section of garden hose to the garden hose inlet. Using this hose as a funnel, pour RV antifreeze into the line. Pull the recoil a few times to make sure the antifreeze gets into the pump. This keeps the pump from freezing. Your Craftsman pressure washer is ready for storage. Detailed winterizing instructions are included in your owner's manual. If you have any questions, please call the phone numbers listed on the video cover and in your owner's manual. Now, you're ready to tackle all those dirty jobs with your new Craftsman pressure washer.